Welcome. Today we are exploring patterns in residual plots. This is a key skill for understanding if your statistical model has problems, such as non-linearity. A residual plot is a type of graph that helps us evaluate how well a regression model fits the data. It plots the residual, or the error of a prediction, against the independent variable. If the points on this plot are scattered randomly around the horizontal line at 0, it suggests a linear model is a good choice. If there's a pattern, a nonlinear model might be better. An ideal residual plot looks like a random cloud of points with no discernible pattern. The points should be evenly and randomly spaced around the horizontal 0 line. This tells you that a linear model is appropriate and that the errors are random and unbiased. One of the most common problems you'll see is a curve, often shaped like a U or an upside down U. This is a clear signal that the relationship you are trying to model is not linear. A straight line is not accurately capturing the data's true pattern, leading to systematic over- and underpredictions. So what does this curve mean, and what should you do? It means a simple straight line is missing a key part of the story in your data. To fix this, you might need a more complex model, such as a polynomial regression. Another common solution is to apply a mathematical transformation to your variables, like using their logarithm or square root. Another problematic pattern is a fan or funnel shape, where the residuals get larger or smaller as the predicted value increases. This pattern indicates that the variance of the errors is not constant, a condition known as heteroscedasticity. This means the model's predictions are more reliable for certain values than for others. When you see a fan shape, it means your model's predictive accuracy is inconsistent. We want our models to be consistently reliable across all values. A common way to fix this is by transforming the response variable, often by taking its logarithm. This can help stabilize the variance and make the model more dependable. To quickly recap, a good residual plot shows no pattern at all, just random scatter. A bad plot might show a U-shaped curve, which points to a nonlinear relationship. Another bad sign is a fan or funnel shape, which indicates that the error variance is not constant. Always remember to examine the residual plot when you build a regression model. It provides crucial insights into how well your model fits the data and is the first step toward diagnosing and fixing problems. A quick look at your residuals can save you from drawing incorrect conclusions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.